let's look at this. We need to find the derivative of this using the first principle. As you can see, we are going to just put here y as equal to this. Please, if you have not watched the previous video, this might not make any meaning to you. So go and watch all the videos before this class. What we're going to do now, we're going to increase this side by delta y. We increase each of the x by delta x, not something like this. So people will write this delta x. No, it is this s we are targeting. So this s need to be increased before we put the power. The same thing with this. Then 2. This what? Equation 2. We subtract 1 from 2 to have y plus this minus this equal to. Before I come here, let me first of all expand this. This is what? S squared plus 2s delta x. I'm expanding this. Then delta s squared. Okay? Then this one is s delta x plus 2. Then I will now remove this, because remember, this side, we had this, we remove this, which is this. Now, this other side, the right hand side, we need to remove this. Okay? So I will now remove, that is 2s squared plus s plus 2. That's what I'm going to remove. You can see, I don't know if you can see clearly. I hope so. Okay? But I believe you are following. So let's just remove this one straight. Remain delta y equal to 2s squared plus 4s delta s plus 2 delta s squared plus s plus delta x plus 2. This is first principle minus 2s squared minus s minus 2. So what we're going to do now, we see what can be removed. This and this will strike out themselves. So let's write what we have now so that we have space for the remaining one. That is 4s delta s plus 2 delta s squared plus this and this will strike out 2. This and this will strike out 2. This is remaining here. That is delta x. Now we have a better view of the remaining ones. Okay? A better view. So what we need to do now, we divide both sides by delta s, because that is what we are looking for. Because we need to take a journey from delta y over delta s going towards differentiation. That is, we are driving towards differentiation, derivative. Okay? Now, this, you agree with me, we divide everything at the numerator. So here is 1, this one will go, one of this will remain because there are 2. This one will go, becomes 1. Becomes 1. So we have 4x now plus 2 delta s plus 1 over 1. So no need to put the over 1. That is this now over this. We have this, okay? So now we want to introduce the y dx now, which is the differentiation, to get the derivative, okay? So the y over the x. Please don't say, I don't understand. No. Go and watch the previous video. This one becomes a piece of cake. If you don't understand because there is knowledge gap, go and watch the previous videos on calculus. Don't miss any class, okay? It's equal to this limit, as this is going towards 0, this over this. That is the meaning. So what is the meaning of this alone? That is, as this is going towards 0, this simply means this, right? Is the meaning. Got it? This, the same thing. So we just remove this and put this here, okay? Just to replace it with 4x plus 2 delta x plus 1. Now, I want to ask you, As this delta S is tending towards 0, which of this will be affected? It is this guy that will be affected. It means, therefore, we are going to have this plus 2 multiplied by 0 plus 1 because it's going towards 0. So that render this one useless. We have left now this, okay? This is the answer. And if you come back to this place to check, remember I taught us how to check. Now let's write this one back here. That is plus S plus 2. Remember I told us, it said 2. These 2 will come down to join these 2. Then we reduce the 2. This 2 that is here, we reduce it by 1. There is 1 here, right? We put this plus, we bring the 1 here, we reduce this one by 1. That is 1 minus 1. This one is already gone because it has no x. The x that is there is raised to power 0, so it's gone. No need to consider that, okay? Therefore, here now is 4. This is 1. That is, see the same thing. Plus, this is 1. S raised to power 0. What is this? That is 1. That is the answer. That is a shortcut, but this is what you should do in exam environment if you are asked to show the answer using the first principle. Okay, as you can see, 4s plus 1. Here too is 4s plus 1. This is the derivative of this using the first principle. Okay? Hope this understood. Thank you for viewing.